How to program a recipe with your cooking performance group Countertop electric convection oven. First, turn on the unit. Press the cookbook button. The display will show P01, indicating program number 1. Use the up and down buttons to select your desired program. If program is flashing, there are no saved recipes for that program. A steady light means a recipe is already saved. To delete a program, when it is displayed in the list of programs, you long press the temperature and time buttons. The program displayed is permanently deleted, so it becomes empty and the number will start flashing. Next, choose a recipe program. Press the cookbook button again to confirm your selection. You can set up to 99 programmed recipes. Press the temperature button and adjust the temperature using the up and down buttons. Press the temperature button again to save your selection. Repeat this process to set and save the desired amount of time and the level of humidity. Press the cooking cycle to program up to 3 stages of cooking. You can select temperature, time, and humidity for each stage. Press and hold the cookbook button to save your recipe. The display will show STO to confirm that the recipe has been stored. Finally, press the Start/Stop button. The display will show PRE and the unit will automatically begin preheating.